Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. In my previous videos, we have learned how discount schedule can be used in Salesforce CPQ. Today, we are going to cover another important feature of Salesforce CPQ, which is pricing guidance. So, pricing guidance is usually being used to provide insights to the sales rep about the discount those can be applied to the product within several quantity bands. So let's have a look at it. So quickly sharing the agenda, we're gonna see is what is pricing guidance, how can we enable it, some terminologies, several considerations, permission source would be required to set up the pricing guidance, use case, and then we'll show the demo. So what is pricing guidance? So pricing guidance is a feature in Salesforce CPQ which helps sales rep determining discounts for specific products. So pricing guidance uses historical quote data to evaluate the total discount of product on previous quote and determine the median discount percentage for those products. So there are two ways in which pricing guidance can be created. First is the automatic way using CRM analytics, which was previously known as WCRM, and the second one is manual one. So today we are going to learn about the manual one first, right? How can we create the pricing guidance manually? And in my next video, we'll show you how it can be possible to create pricing guidance using CRM analytics. So first of all, how to enable the pricing guidance. So in install package setting of Salesforce CPQ, we have a tab called pricing and calculation, and there is a checkbox called enable pricing guidance. So first of all, we may have to check that checkbox, and then only we'll be able to use pricing guidance. Then some terminologies first, right? So there are few things available on pricing guidance tier. One field is target, which is the lowest ideal discount that can be applied to any particular product. The second is normal, so that would be a mid-range of the discount that can be applied, and then there is something called floor, which will be the highest level of discount that can be applied to a particular product within some quantity of quantity bin. Okay, so these are the three things that we have to take care about when we create the pricing guidance record, okay, or tier record, and that we will see in a couple of minutes. Okay, some consideration, right? So first of all, it is like if a quote line has pricing guidance, you can still apply discounts through price rules and CPQ plugin. The second thing is pricing guidance is unavailable for these products. Which product? Like the bundle product with children, percentage of total subscription and their cover asset, product with discount schedule, product with contract based and renewal based pricing, product that have compounded pricing or discount, compound with consumption schedule, product with active and non-discountable and non-partner discountable field, and quote lines with partner discount and distribution discount. So whatever product is being there and it is full, it is being having this kind of attribute, you would not be able to provide a pricing guidance for the same. So we might have to understand this stuff first. Okay, now we'll see about the permissions, right? So let's say if an admin is creating pricing guidance, so he will be able to uh, create, read, edit, delete uh, this permission for several objects like pricing guidance tiers, a guidance field on quote line. So these are the object level access for the admin, and the several others are defined over here for sales approval. So who are not going to create those records, but they are going to consume it. So they'll be having only read permission. So these are the permission related stuff. Let's see the use case. So ABC Corporation is selling its product to a customer. Company has several bands of quantity defined in the system which can be used to provide the insight to sales rep around the discounts which can be applied to the product. So these are the bands. Lower bound 1 to 10. The target discount is 5%. Normal discount is 7% and 10% discount is the floor one. For 11 to 20, target discount is 12%, normal discount is 15%, and floor discount, the maximum discount is 20%. And for band of 21 to 30, target discount is 22%, normal discount is 25%, and the floor discount, the maximum discount can be 30%. Based on this discount, we used to have approvals defined, right? So whatever like target discount is 5%, that would be fine. But if discount reaches floor like 10%, 20%, or 30%, we could have an approval defined on that, and based on the approval, the quote lines can get on, and the quotes get like order, and all those stuff can take place once the approvals gets done. Let's configure it. So as you can see, I have a product called pricing guidance product, and there is a field called pricing guidance in which we have to provide the actual lookup of that particular pricing guidance record that we want to use for this particular product. So I'll open that pricing guidance record or deal guidance record, where we can see there are some description summary that can apply. There is some explanation. So this gets populated and this gets visible on the screen, on the card screen, using which the sales rep can understand like what kind of discounting it is, and some basic explanation that we can provide to a sales rep about this. There is a checkbox called active, which will be used to determine whether the spreading guidance record is active. Include prior purchase. So if you want to include the prior purchase of this particular product, right, and based on that we want to run this deal guidance or pricing guidance, we can do that. Type will be always range. Okay, unit will be always percent, and we don't have any value for that. So this was regarding the pricing guidance record. Now we're gonna see pricing guidance tiers. So as mentioned in the table, we have created three tiers. The inner bound, like a lower bound, is inclusive and the upper bound is exclusive. That's why we have set it to 11. So 1 to 11. Target discount is 5%, normal discount is 7, and floor discounts is 10. Same for here, tier 2 11 to 21, 12, 15, 20, and 21 to 30, 22, 25, and 30. So that was the product setup. Now let's go to particular quote and check it out, how we can see those things. So I'm on cart, I'll click add products, and I'll go to pricing guidance product. I will select it and will click select button. So as soon as we land on the card, we see this small icon over here. So this gets visible when we enable that pricing guidance from install product setting, install package setting, otherwise this will be disabled. So as soon as I click over here, you can see the discounts are visible, like target discount 5%, normal discount 7%, and floor discount 10%. And this is coming based on the first year because our quantity lies between 1 to 10. So if we go over here, our quantity is 1. And we have a button over here like accept recommendation. So whenever we click this, uh, whatever discounts that being applied or that's being given in target field, it will be automatically taken for that particular product. So I'll accept the recommendation, and you see the average customer discount is being 5%. Over here it can be visible. So 5% discounts gets added. But if customer thinks, or if sales rep thinks like uh, it is not a valid discount, or we want to have more discount, then he can manually change it to 7 or 10, right, whatever it's being defined, and then based on that we can have some approval. Okay. Now if I change it to 11, and let's see, view pricing guidance, which will be falling into the second tier, right? So we can see 12, 15, and 20, and once we accept this, it's again providing the same discount over here. If I make it as 21, I'll see the pricing. We'll see the target as 22, 25, and 30. I'll accept again, and it would make that change. And somewhere like if we provide the quantity as 1, and it can again go to 5% based on our acceptance. So this way we can help sales rep to determine the discounts based on the quantity band, so that he'll be pretty sure about like how much discount he can be applying to particular product, and what is the expected discount, and based on that we can have an approval as well. So I guess that is it on this pricing ideas part. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get this learning videos. Thank you very much.